Today, I will be showing you how to wish in Wuthering Waves. First, to open the wish system, go to Convene. You can do this by pressing the Escape button on your keyboard, then clicking Convene from the menu. Once you're inside the Convene screen, you'll see different banners or events available. From here, select the event or banner that you want to pull on. Each banner usually features different characters or items, so make sure you're choosing the one you actually want. Before wishing, double-check that you have enough lustrous tides or astrites, since these are required to make a pull. You'll be able to see how many you currently have displayed on the screen. When you're ready, click the Convene button located at the lower right corner of the screen. A confirmation window will pop up next. Simply click Confirm to proceed with your wish. After confirming, the game will play the wish animation and show you the results of your pull. You can then repeat the process if you still have enough resources, or exit the menu if you're done wishing. And that is how to wish in Wuthering Waves. Thank you for watching.